So this is the Polynesian Spa in Rotorua. It became a favorite for us because we would do the splash and raw combo package. What's included in that package is a ticket to the Paradise Valley Springs Wildlife Park. You can use that at any time, if I'm right, throughout 6 months, and then you also get access to the Polynesian Spa family pools, and in the family pools section you get access to 2 alkaline pools and 1 freshwater pool, and they're all heated. The freshwater pool is the big one for the kids that you can put your head under, and it's like 33 degrees, and then the other 2 pools are 35 and 40 degrees, if I'm right. We ended up doing this package twice while we were there in New Zealand, and driving to Rotorua twice, and for us it was well worth the drive. We were an hour away. There's also other packages, pools and views at the Polynesian Spa, but we just stuck to the family one because we had the 2 kids with us. And what's great is they've got showers and things to help clean up the kids afterwards, because the smell of the sulfur stays on you after swimming. It's not a bad thing, but we could smell it straight away because we weren't used to the smells our first time. And Rotorua in general is referred to as the sulfur city because of the geothermal activity in there, and that's why they have so many hot pools and like the mud pools, and just it's awesome. So I recommend going there. Touching base again on the combo that we did, if your children are under 5 years old, they are free. So our son is 4 and the other one is 11 months, so both of them were free, and all I had to pay for was my husband and I for that combo. So it's a really good deal and package, and we suggest you use it when you're traveling with kids. Also, they have these boxes here on the side. We didn't know how to use them until the second time we came and we saw everyone actually using them properly, because we just were like, oh, okay, maybe put our shoes in there. But you're supposed to pull the whole box out, put all your stuff in it, go get dressed or take it with you, and then come back and put it back in with all your things. Now, that's up to you if you want to do that. That's not how we were using it, so it doesn't matter. Also, you can't bring food and drink into this place from outside. I brought like the kids' reusable water bottles, and they were filled with water just because you're in the hot pools like for a while, and we were in there for an hour, and the kids, they're wasted afterwards and they're thirsty and they're also raging. So I had snacks in the bag, but they have a cafe there right next to the family pools. Okay, one more time.
Walking.
Wow. Slowly, bye-bye.
Sit down, sit down.
Oh my gosh. No, you sit on your bum, son. Go, try again. Sit on your bum. On your bum. Sit on your bum. Go. Yay! Good job. Easy. Good job. Hi, Baba. Come on, Baba.
Jump.
You want to jump? Okay. Go. Good job. And then we've got like the other pools at the back. Okay, ready? On your bum, sit down. Slow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.